Hello everyone, Lyssa here. About 10 years ago, I made a visit to one of my favorite shrines in Japan in Hakone, in the mountains next to an amazing volcanic lake. And while I was there, I started to receive a download. I was specifically at a shrine there called Kuzuryu, which means nine dragons or nine serpents. And ever since then, I've made several visits and I've received these downloads about ancient awakening teachings that were brought to earth through the Vegan lineage, but brought to earth mostly through our Pleiadian and Sirian family. This began a quest, if you will, to receive these downloads, and they began to shape a school, which we now call School of the Nine Serpents. This first workshop was given actually in Hakone in 2017, and since then, these teachings have been given in other workshops, mostly in Japan or online for a bilingual group. And some of you may have read just the very basics of the Nine Serpent School in my book, The Golden Lake. So what is the School of the Nine Serpents? Generally speaking, it is an ancient mystery school of awakening that was brought to our planet in ancient times and seeded to early humans by our ET forefathers. And they, foremothers too. And these teachings have lain dormant, let's say, in the last 13,000 years as our planet went through our cycle of separation. However, now that we are going through an awakening process, these seeds are starting to sprout, and the teachers from the ancient past are bringing the next level of these teachings to us. So why serpent? What does serpent mean? A serpent in this context is a metaphor. It's a metaphor for 9 gates of awakening that any physical civilization must pass through as they are transitioning from 3rd to 4th density or from polarized consciousness to unity consciousness. Therefore, we are right on schedule in the sense that these teachings are now being brought to earth once again to aid those of us who are wishing to walk on this path. And they are affecting, let's say, the literal frequency of our consciousness that then affects the unity field of our world and the mass consciousness to create a kind of momentum that will assist with planetary awakening. So that's why the school is important now. It has a lot to do with timing. And we might find when we look around ourselves on the planet, there's a lot of, let's say, ego-driven action and conflict going on the world. The school specifically addresses these 9 gates. They're kind of like 9 nodal points that keep us trapped in the illusion of separation. And as we work through these 9 nodal points or 9 particular gates, we, in a sense, loosen the threads of our reality. And in a sense, you can say it's kind of like allowing our light to come through so that we begin to remember who we are. Anyway, there's a lot more I could say about this school. It has affected me profoundly and so many of my students as well. So for the very first time, we are holding an English-only workshop. The workshop is usually bilingual in English and Japanese, but this is a first bilingual workshop on Zoom, March 28th through 29th. From 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. Arizona time. So if you are interested in checking it out, finding out what it's all about, please check my website at www.lyssa, L-Y-S-S-A, royal, R-O-Y-A-L.net. You can read all the information. So I hope to share this with you at this workshop or a future one, though this will be the only one this year. Thank you so much.